Pozdravljeni na novem videu. Nekaj čist novega pride zdaj na moj kanal, da bom tudi kdaj snemal reakcijo ali pa svoje reakcije, reakcije drugih iz Airsofta. Tako da bo tudi link v opisu, iz kje sem snemal ta Airsoft video, v bistvu reakcijo, ki sem snemal, evo, in si gremo pogledat.
Yeah, Michael.
Shut up, Andrew.
It is a TV remote.
That's awesome. I have like 3 holes.
Hey, Grips.
Yo.
Give me a shot of me. Use your soft thing.
Ok. A ja, delim spakal. Ok, razumem.
Nah, lean back with like the rifle up, and with your.
Why are you taking pictures? Literally people in the fire.
Evo, se že jezi.
There's some people behind the blackout comes up in the trailer all over to the right.
Maybe you want to shoot at.
If you think that will piss off Connor.
Sorry.
In the middle of a firefight. Ah! Joe,
And you were there too.
come here. Joe, come here. We're in the middle of a firefight. Yeah. Just to piss off Connor.
I hate you.
Oh yeah. So guess what? You know this turns on.
Okay, that's great.
The fucking green light turns on. Somewhere out there in the world, bedroom 2 works. It'd be really damn awkward. Please don't. But I will watch.
I don't want to see someone I don't want to harass someone.
Good fucking luck, mate.
No, he's not doing it.
No, let him do it. Do you want me to open the door for you?
No, yeah.
Do you want me? Do you want? You want to kick the door down and then you run in and I'll record that shit, or you want me to kick it for you? What do you want? You're the one running.
Yeah, turn Steve in when you
Over on the left, he's moving up.
Okay.
turn Steve in on
I don't know what happened to him.
Oh my god.
Love you.
Oh my god.
What?
Over.
What do you want?
I can understand you're over.
What do you want?
Understand your fact. You're German.
Say again, over.
Fuck.
Hey,
UAL.
don't be swearing.
You're a fuck bucket.
What? Over.
Oh my god.
Fuck bucket.
You have to say over. I can't hear you.
Fuck bucket over.
That's not nice. Over.
I thought you were gonna say, oh, now I can hear you.
That too. Over.
And
Dude, that's the reason why we can't be on a fucking radio. So if you have a pistol, you'll shoot yourself.
will I stay or will I go? Don't.
Play Russian roulette with a semi-automatic.
You remember how you said I'll be feeling the beer?
Yeah.
Oh, it's feeling me.
Don't give me a reason to shoot you.
Just give me a reason. Just a better.
I know.
Well,
I should have
okay.
just more in context today. The problem is I already spent a decent amount of money on the inserts.
Can we make snow angels?
Later. If you can find a clear space. I'm on a boat.
I actually can't move now because my ass is actually in there.
Fucking love cold weather. Makes my gas gun go.
So we just sit here for 2 minutes, or do we just go?
We can just go. Yeah.
You already led me astray. I don't
Remember
trust you anymore.
Pa to niso res ne.
Going to be my cum rag.
Oh my god.
You
Res.
can sit right in my lap, big boy.
Okay, the bayonet makes sense. Where's the bayonet?
The bayonet makes that.
Where? What the fuck?
That's actually my fake radio. Why do you have a fake radio? Because its operator is fuck, dude. You got no idea. Wait, somebody on the hill? I vote next time?
I fucking love that.
Let's see if it feeds. Dude, yeah.
Oh my god, you're fucked.
I'm really appreciating the
Brazzers.
on the back. Yeah.
Thank you. Everyone loves it.
I was like, wait a minute. So much. Glorious.
Call your hits.
Call your hit.
Call your hits.
No, you call your hit first.
Evo takole, še odločil sem se, da bom še naprej snemal tole reakcija, še tale del, pa pogledamo, kaj se bo odkraj dogajalo, ne.
BB right there.
Oh shit. It was jamming. Private security, hide the MTX. Fucking PDW.
These jeans provide no protection to thorns.
Yep.
That hurt.
They are coming closer.
That was the longest 30 seconds.
Stop T-posing on me!
No problem, buddy.
I'm being T-posed on. He's asserting dominance. I'm not even joking. Like, I shot him, he's out, but he's still walking T-posing.
O, ko pa v kužo počne odklala. Ma je prišel jih obiskat.
But no, we were talking about the cranberry.
Oh, nice.
Go back up there.
Oh, I thought you were talking to a person. I was like, oh.
Look at these 2 bricks painted
Found
gold
them.
saran wrap.
Well, no, we still got to push in there, but this is mostly because Butters dropped them like a dumbass.
Goddamn Butters.
Butters, I found your bricks! Throw them at him. Just start clacking them together. There you go.
I think I broke the cocaine, guys.
Jakie zanimiło.
That's coming.
What can I do from here?
Is this one off or not?
Crossing.
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead. Go.
Tower to the left. Can I put this explosive in your pack and then grab it during lunch?
Sure.
Alright.
Put it
It's
in the
a-
smallest pocket.
Alright. I would do it myself, but I don't have any pockets on me.
Might blow up.
I'm sure you're fine.
There's only an air tank back there. What's the worst that could happen?
I mean, if you're worried about it, I can hold it somewhere.
I don't care.
The thing is where, like...
Yeah.
If I had a cargo pocket, then maybe.
Alright. Why, is that a live fucking tagging?
You know the timer one?
Yeah.
That.
On tam strela, oni se pa pogovarjajo.
Can we move a little bit more left?
Oh wait, I'm still dead.
You're a cheater. Cheater. I'm gonna
Okay.
clickbait you. There's gonna be so many red arrows on your face.
I'm gonna take my rag off, Mom!
You're banned.
Charlie's gonna kill me!
I could probably. People climbing in there?
No, we just viewed it, so skinny guys.
Yeah.
Kje se ta plaza je pa ta car.
Like I said, that mini map ain't so mini.
Oh my god.
Yo. Yeah.
Ok, skoro bi prišlo do Fender Fire.
I said they're in cafe.
Alright.
Watch out, I'm gonna try and come through.
You want help? You want me to like...
I got you. I'm good, thank you.
Hang on. I'm
Dobro ga je
hoping
rešil.
it's gonna go off.
Road safe.
Hang on.
I got you, boss. I got
Do you want me to run across and into there and dunk it, or throw it from here?
Fucking dunk it.
O moj bog, koliko ima sreća.
Oh my god! Are the numbers going up on this thing?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah.
They're also upside down.
Ona slučajno zdala na roba.
Thank you for saying that.
Ja, samo je problem.
I had it set up for, You okay? Okay.
Ja, včasih moraš na Airsoftu tudi paziti.
I'm just throwing this out there. Do we need the village at all?
The little form that they passed out said, hint, it's not in the village. The stuff we're supposed to defend, so I don't see why we need to go there. No, we do not need the village at all.
Don't even go near the village.
I just wanted to ask. I like those close engagements.
State your presence. Who are you?
This is Mike.
Oh, hey, Mike. Mike with the plate?
I'm not wearing my weighted plates. What do you mean?
Mike with the pizza? Hey, Mike, he's got the pizza!
Oh moj bog.
Where's the plates, Mike?
I don't know what you're talking about. This is the Mike from that Black Hawk Down game.
Oh, Mike with the pizza.
Again, not the pizza. A bunch of people grilled me about the hemlock thing, if that refreshes your memory.
Bring the plates?
Dude, I don't know what plates you're talking about unless you want me to go to a market.
It's all good, dude. It's a Pittsburgh joke.
A what joke?
Ok, dobro šalo.
It's an old Crossfire game location.
Oh yeah, I'm not familiar with that. Radio comms are retarded. Nah, it's all good. It makes good for it makes good content.
Mohawk, is that you?
No, it's Mike.
Mike with the pizza?
Sure,
A
Mike
spet
with the
boš
pizza.
začel s pico. Ja, vidite, Airsoft je tudi zabaven.
Oh my god.
Zdaj se bo celo igr pogovarjalo o picah.
That'll make it in the next one.
Jimmy, can you go find the Mike with the pizza and give him a call sign tap that literally says Mike with the pizza?
I'm right here. I'm right here, dude.
That's you?
Yeah, Mike.
Dude, you just straight up gave up. It's like Mike with the pizza. Who the fuck?
I'll look at.
Pizza.
I'll find a patch with a pizza on it. I'll see what I can find.
Okay, I'll tell you the backstory. Right?
Alright.
Meanwhile, you know, we get done fucking clearing all the buildings, shit like that. Pretty much ready, the other team rage quit. So we're like, dude, let's order pizzas. Butter, order pizzas.
Well, was
And you
it
know
Domino's?
What?
Was it Domino's?
No, it was a local place and
Okay.
everything like that. So
Yeah,
we're waiting and everything, and we're all like, oh, where the fuck's the pizza and everything. And he gets a phone call, and the guy's like, literally like, hey, it's Mike. And he's like, Mike? Mike with the pizza? And it was Mike with the pizza. And it took off. From there. It was like, hey, Mike with the pizza. And it, like, we had pretty much the entire team calling this dude Mike with the pizza. And the guy was like, what is going on here? Like, didn't know what was, like, that.
Was
and
this
then,
here or in one
no,
of
this
his
was
private?
Pittsburgh.
Yeah,
This
okay,
was a
yeah,
fucking
yeah.
Tom game.
Like
yeah.
7 years ago or something like that.
It was like 3 or 4.
No, 3 or
Okay.
4 years, yeah. So, but and then like we're like, hey, did you bring plates? And he's like, no, I didn't bring plates. And he's like, but you're the guy. You're Mike with the.
Ok, zanimivo pač.
Sorry,
No, it's fine.
Nad igro se greš pogovarjati o pici.
I haven't played in like a year and a half because I've
Yeah.
been doing this shit for real, and it's
There was
crazy.
one of Crossfire's games, Chemical, not the Chemical Facility. It was like 2 of his games ago. Anyway, the 811 dudes were making paper airplanes in some random office room that they found.
That was Pittsburgh.
Yeah.
That had to be Pittsburgh because we've done that before.
it was like 2 Crossfire games ago. I saw Carl's Snapchat or Instagram story. I'm like, yes. No.
It does like, it's like for sketching like blueprints, like this.
Mm-hmm.
And you turn that into paper airplane. They have like a bomber.
Hats are so uncomfortable, man.
Hats?
Yeah, I miss my
So I
helmet.
haven't wore a hat in a while now.
I did it for the kit.
Come on,
Otherwise,
bro.
I'd wear a helmet.
Okay.
And I gotta get used to not wearing a helmet, because,
Oh,
That's friendly!
Oh shit, I just killed him.
What?
Calm down.
You just told me it's hot, dude. I just went in, dog. What the fuck was it?
Buckshots!
Yeah, buckshots. Oh.
Dude, when I heard a fucking pop, dude,
I don't want to flex, but I don't need those.
fuck, dude, I thought we were about to get rained from the back.
Want more action?
Why is there a chest just sitting right there? That shouldn't be moved.
That's been there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
There was a little skirmish at the fucking fire base.
Alright, that low-key startled me.
I love how alert you are, though.
I don't want to get shot.
Watch this.
Ooh, ouch, 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 ouch. Faso ih je. Na tretjem mestu. Au.
What did we say about not getting action?
Well, they got guys down the
Well, I mean, the rock is hard cover. They have sticks and leaves. Really?
Yeah, I walk in.
Protect the camera.
A jaz fotografa
Dude, you know those,
zadev.
you
Bravo.
got 2.
You got two right there.
You know those tiny little Mobius scope cams? I got my lens shot out last week. Straight on. You want to see a picture?
Yeah, I want to see some broken shit.
Broke within like 8 hours.
I'll let you know how this one goes.
Straight on.
Yeah, that is
That's like
a perfect shot.
just slightly bigger than. It's just bigger than a BB. It is a small my scope cam.
Oh. This guy.
It used to look just like that.
Yeah.
Like this. Oh, that guy.
Did you pop a dude in the face, like right in the nose? And he started bleeding.
Over there.
Yeah, he started.
His only his face was there.
Yeah,
so.
I know. No, he wasn't mad. He was like, I want to like congratulate you.
I want to
got me
congratulate.
center.
I don't want to be
Okay.
congratulated for that. Don't let him know.
He really wanted to shake your hand, though.
Really?
He probably won't.
Ja, to je to za ta video. Lepo se imejte, pa se vidimo na drugi reakciji.